What is that?
It's a leather Alabama jacket.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty fucking dumb.
Is it blood red? What is that? A red and white combination?
It's actually a darker red than my shirt.
It's not really red, right? It's kind of a maroon. Yeah. Mhm. You just said it together.
Jeans, mine, thing alike.
Yeah. You have another one?
Huh?
You have another one?
Another Alabama jacket?
Yeah. Can you
Uh-huh.
just try it on? Mhm.
Shit load up.
I am making you my model. Oh.
Sweatpants. This is your jacket, baby.
What is that? Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
It's yours.
That's funny. You're gonna give me that leather jacket? I don't have a leather jacket before. I don't really wear leather. Mhm.
Got most of my jackets out there in the living room, I guess, in that closet. I ain't got a whole lot in the closet here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think you should focus the camera on your face. You are like in the left side corner of my screen. Why don't you put that in the middle? Yeah, that's right. Mhm. Are you thirsty?
Yeah, that's right.
Mhm. That's really funny. What?
So
You
funny.
didn't even close your closet.
I need to close my closet.
You did not? I'm looking at it. Mhm.
Close down, baby. Any other requests?
I love that, you know, the one that you're wearing right now. The collar.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Mhm.
Mama gave me this one for my birthday.
What?
Said Mama bought me this shirt for my birthday.
That one your mom bought that for you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really nice. I love it.
Russell Corporation, Russell Athletics that I work for. I do the basketball shit, but they sell all this kind of stuff too. So she bought it at the Russell Athletic store.
Okay.
Buy something from the Russell Athletic. They sell sweatpants, sweatshirts, jerseys, t-shirts, anything you can fucking imagine.
Mhm.
Russell employees get like 40% off. And you would get 40% off.
Everybody can get a 40% off? Is that what you're saying?
If you work for Russell.
But you're not working there.
Somebody in your family works for Russell.
Oh. That's nice. So what are your plans for today? With Uncle Rick?
Alabama kicked his ass.
Oh yeah, it's Saturday. I forgot. I thought it's already Sunday.
I know it's got me fucked up. I've got to work tomorrow, so it might as well be Sunday.
And I can just talk to you during your lunchtime.
Say again?
I can only talk to you during your lunchtime.
Okay. Well, I don't know. We won't get a lunch tomorrow because we're only working 6 hours.
Really?
Yeah.
So I will not call your lunchtime, huh?
I don't even know what our fucking break schedule is going to be. No idea.
Will that suck?
But I know this. they will give us a break in them 6 hours. And that's
So-
it.
Hmm.
Yeah. We'll be fucking working. We'll get like one 15-minute break in the 6 hours.
Why do you have work on Sunday? That's weird. Don't you think?
I can't hear you, but
Why do you have work on Sunday?
because it's fucking getting near Christmas time and we got a fucking shitload of
Oh.
the stuff. The
Yeah.
stuff. The reason we're going in tomorrow is to help the people that send the UPS FedEx. Not the stuff I normally do.
UPS and FedEx is different, right? Is it a one company?
It's 2 companies. We ship. We got one whole acre.
We have UPS here too, yeah. We have DHL and UPS and FedEx.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, DHL stuff sometimes. But
Yeah,
we have
DHL is an international too.
we have a
International
dedicated
company.
trailer out there just for UPS and one just for FedEx. We fill up a whole damn trailer about every day. But that's not my job. But tomorrow it is.
Okay.
It'll be an easy day of work. But I just don't want to be able to.
Hmm.